This is my go-to company for a reason. The curls though. This curl pattern, honey.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre 360 Frontal Lace Collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Roshan and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Now, since this one is from the 360 Frontal Lace Collection, you do also get additional lace in the back. It does come with 13x6 parting space. It's HD lace. It does come pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hairs. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So as y'all can see, the hairline on this one is really good. They've been coming with it with these 360 frontal lace units. I feel like so far I've been loving what I'm seeing. As far as the texture on this one is kind of a dried out yaki. And definitely do note the more that you do get different styles going, because like I said, you do have that 13x6 parting space. You definitely will get some tangling. You're gonna get some shedding. I mean, girl, it's curly synthetic hair, so tangling and shedding definitely to be expected. As far as the length is concerned, I am 5'3" for reference, and it does come about just to my boobs. And as y'all can probably see here, I'm getting a little bit of that frizziness, and that is definitely what happens when you go and finger comb this unit out more and more. I did also go in with some of my Simply Style and silicone spray to kind of revive the curls back some, which it definitely did do its job. But just note this texture itself, y'all. If you do go and finger comb it out, it's going to be a little bit of an issue for you, and the frizziness will pop. But for me, that's not a huge issue. I kind of feel like the frizzier certain units get, it kind of just makes it look more realistic, so I kind of am here for the look. And as far as the cap size is concerned, this one definitely is coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. This one definitely does have some stretch to the cap. My head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it's fitting my head very well, so the quality of the hair does feel pretty good. But from what I'm noticing, I don't necessarily think this is going to be an everyday unit. I don't think this is going to last super long if you wear this one every day. It's definitely going to be more leaning towards special occasion, high maintenance, so definitely do keep that in mind, you guys. The density on this one, this is all the hair to the front, and honey, like I said, this is kind of finger combed out, so it is giving more density. I want to say with it just straight out of the box, it's leaning more towards 150%, but the more you finger comb it out, this is like 180% density. And as y'all could see, is a good amount of hair. It's super lightweight on my head though, so I definitely do think this is going to be like fall and winter approved. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My con is probably just going to be, like I said, I don't see it really lasting super long, and the frizziness that I'm getting, even though I am a fan of the frizziness, it just leads me to believe after like 2 or 3 times of wearing this one, it's going to just blow up to a point that I don't really want it to blow up. So that's probably honestly my only con that I have with this unit. My pros on this unit, I think the cap construction was great. The hairline is wonderful. The baby hairs were really good. The curl pattern on this is really, really lovely. as a whole, I really do think this is a pretty unit. It's definitely reminding me of the Outre Ariella unit, so I think if you did like that one, then you probably would like this one. I do think this one is eerily similar to that one. The only difference to me would probably be the curl pattern is a little bit different. It's more spirally, and also getting that additional lace in the back, because the Outre Ariella unit does not have additional lace in the back, but this one is really similar to that. But just to say, I think if you like that unit, you will like this. I definitely am not disappointed with this purchase, and I definitely think I would pick it up again, but more so for a specific occasion. But as far as everyday, honey, I'm not gonna even do it to myself because I know this one will be work. But that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.